Hey guys, I hope everything is going well on your side, and once again I'm back with a fresh strategy for making money online. I'm sure everyone has heard of Google. Why I'm saying this is because if you're watching this video right now, it means you have access to the internet, and Google is usually the starting point of all the content you want to see online. Now here's the thing, it's only a small group of people that know how to take advantage of Google to make a decent amount of money in a short space of time. So if you'd like to know how they do it, you've landed on the right video, because by the end of the video you'll be able to generate your own income without needing help or startup money. There are some cool tricks I want to teach you which are very simple by the way and require little to no effort at all. The catch is you need to know what you're doing because every step is critical to the success of this strategy. So my advice is watch the video till the end and do not skip any part, and likewise if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and like the video so I can provide you with more information on how you can make money online without a problem. So without further ado, I'm the Make Money Online strategist. Let's not waste time, let's make some cash. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is hop on Google and search for Google News, or you could just click on the button with 9 dots on the top right of your screen and then scroll down and click on where it says News. Once you do that, you'll be directed to a page full of news articles. Now when you take a look on your left hand side, you will notice that Google has categorized the news based on what they are about. For example, you got business news, tech, entertainment, sports, science, etc. And the reason I'm showing you these categories is because they will make the job easier since you do not have to scout for articles everywhere. You'll just click on the category you want and take it from there, which will save you more time, which you'll ultimately use to make more money. Now that you're okay with how to access professional news articles, I need to teach you the second step, which is very important. I need you to go to a website called Sprintbot.com. So this tool is mainly used for changing the wording in a sentence without changing the meaning. For example, if the original sentence is "I don't want to be late for work," it'll change it to "I want to be on time for work." Why I'm telling you this is because you do not need to take a lot of time trying to rephrase the news articles you'll be getting from Google News. What you will do is you will copy the whole news article and paste it right here where it says paste text, and it will provide you the rephrased article on the right. So at this stage, you're able to access a professional article, put it in your own words, which means you are the owner of the article. Now what's left for you is to get paid for your outstanding work. So what you need to do is reach out to the right people that will be willing to put a price on your content. So what I'll be showing you is the websites that will pay you for your articles. Make sure to see all of the websites, because the more websites you tap into, the more money you will make, and they have different specifications in terms of how many words they want per article, and they pay at different rates. So you need to check them all to be on the safe side. Now the first customer is none other than textbroker.com. So what you'll do here is you'll go and select the option at the top that says I write content, and then click on where it says how text broker works. By then you'll be shown your potential profit and how much you stand to get paid. These articles you're going to be submitting will be rated out of 5 stars based on the quality of the articles. So you do not need to worry about that, because you do not need to do some research. You do not need professional writing skills, no previous experience needed. All you need to do is follow the steps I gave you from the onset by going to Google News, look for the articles, copy them, and then go to Sprintbot, rephrase them, and get paid. Pretty much anyone can do it. So with that said, you'll be getting 4 to 5 stars for your articles because of the high quality articles you'll be pushing. Now for example, let's say you get a 5-star rating and then your article has a total of 1,900 words, which is approximately 3 to 4 pages. You can expect to make more than $100 from just one article. This definitely has to go down as one of the easiest ways to make a decent amount of cash online without capital or being an expert at anything. So now I want you to look at the scale. When you stretch it to 5,000 words, you stand to get paid around $280. What you can do to achieve that is to go to the categories on Google News I mentioned earlier, and each category has similar articles, so you can combine a number of them into one article with 5,000 words. But the trick is you need to read the articles on how you can join them well without sounding silly. Once you are good with that, you are good to go. Now what I like the most about Text Broker is that the registration is free. You do not need to pay a dime to be a part of the Writers Club, and it also pays you for the articles as soon as the client accepts them. Not to mention that their minimum cash out is as low as $10, and you receive your money in not more than 7 days. For the lazy people, I got good news for you, because you do not need to follow a certain certain schedule like a 9-to-5 job. You just work whenever you feel like because of their flexible time management plan. Okay, so the second website that will pay you for your high quality articles is Iwriter Com. So basically what you need to do here is register to create yourself a free account, which is totally free by the way. After registering, you'll be given the liberty to choose which type of article you want to write for them. Rush to Google News and use the copy and paste technique on Sprintbot and then submit your article, and once it has been reviewed and accepted, you can start expecting money to land in your personal account. Now here you'll earn different amounts of money based on the packages the customers purchase. Here the packages are standard writers, which is 1 star. You got the premium, which is 2 stars, elite, which goes with 3 stars, and elite plus writers, which are ranked with a 4 out of 4 rating. Now since we have high quality articles at our disposal, let's ignore the standard and the premium packages and focus on the elite and elite plus, because that's where you guys will range. Now when you provide an article of 500 words, which is estimatingly a 1-page article, you will make $11, and you can submit as many as 10 articles per day because you will not be writing anything. You will simply be using Google to do all the work for you, and you will make more than $100 in 24 hours. And let's just say you do that 4 times a week. That's $400 per week. Now if you want to make more money, make sure to like the video because I want to reveal a tip that will blow you away. Okay, here's the thing. It's inevitable that you'll get promoted to the Elite Plus writers because of the high quality articles you'll be submitting on a regular basis. So what you need to do is you will create a long article of 5,000 words using the technique I showed you for combining articles, which will make you about $370, and keep a copy of the article and sell it to a text broker and make about $280, and that makes a total of $650 in pure profit with just one piece of content you can provide within an hour or 2. I'm sure you are impressed with those figures considering the amount of time and the minimal effort it takes to achieve that. Okay, now the third website is Scripted.com. This website will pay you for each and every article you write. All you need to do is click on where it says become a writer at the top of your screen, and you'll be redirected to a page like this. So here you'll be able to apply to be a freelancer here on Scripted, and you'll get writing gigs and get paid from them easily. So now just a quick recap. Go to Google News, search for the keyword Google News and browse through the categories, identify the article you want, copy it and then paste it on Sprintbot, and then take the article to each and every one of these avenues I just showed you and get paid without a glitch. And if you want other methods of making money online, feel free to check out the rest of the videos on the channel and start making money with the technique that suits you the most. Okay, bye for now, and I'll see you in some of my next videos. Thanks for watching.